Okie dokie. So Dave here again, and just want to again welcome you into the OLSP Academy. Now, just a quick reminder, if you have not been opening my emails and this is one of the first ones you've done, can you just go back and have a look at the previous emails so that I'm not repeating myself and you're up to speed with what we're doing. Okay, so just a quick reminder, if you're up to level 5 in the training units, contact me on Facebook. There's a link below again to join me on Facebook, and I will send you that golden ticket that I said I would. And if you've got any problems whatsoever, let me know and just drop me a message in the Facebook Messenger just every now and again. Let me know how you're doing. If you've got any problems, like I say, we can go on and share my screen. Everything should be pretty straightforward at this point. And once again, tomorrow I will be including another little bonus for you. Okay, this is just as a action taker. So if you're opening these emails and going through the training, I know you're taking action, and therefore I'm going to give you another bonus tomorrow. Okay, so until then, stay safe and I'll speak to you tomorrow.